Good job.
All right, so my Can-Am's making this really loud, like whirling noise. So it's got 100 miles on it, so I figured I'd change the diff fluid. Here's what the diff fluid looks like. Looks pretty terrible. I'm not sure how all that contamination got in there because it is snorkeled and this thing's been in very little water. It's still on stock tires, and then diff might have gone under 3 or 4 times total. So I changed the fluid, put clean fluid in it. That didn't make a dang bit of difference with the noise. So I'm gonna let you hear what the noise sounds like. Let me know if any of you guys have heard this before. It sounds really bad. I hope you can hear it on the camera. Go ahead. I suspect it might be the rear diff. I don't know how that's possible, but let me know if you guys have heard that before.